Today on Malaysian Chinese Kitchen, we are going to make Nian or Tikoy. Let's get started. Scrub banana leaves under running water. Boil the leaves, turn off the stove and allow them to soften for 10 minutes. Remove and wipe the leaves dry. Cut them into 2.5-inch wide strips. Line ramekins with 4 to 6 leaf strips. Make sure the strips overlap. Turn the strips over the edge of the ramekins and place a rubber band over the strips to hold them down. Then tie kitchen twine over the leaves around the ramekins. Trim the twine and banana leaves so that they are neat. Place a prepared round piece of banana leaf in each ramekin. Combine half cup water, pandan leaves, and coconut palm sugar in a small saucepan. Turn on the stove to medium. Stir to dissolve the coconut palm sugar. Continue to boil for 3 minutes. Turn off stove and allow syrup to cool. Sift glutinous rice flour into a large bowl. Pour in half cup water and mix with a spatula. Remove pandan leaves from syrup and pour the syrup into the glutinous rice flour mixture. Stir to form a smooth batter. Divide the batter into the 4 prepared ramekins. Place the ramekins on a rack suitable for your slow cooker. Transfer the rack to your slow cooker insert filled with 1 to 2 inches of hot water. Place a clean kitchen towel over the top and place the lid on top of the kitchen towel. Set the slow cooker to cook on high for 8 hours. Check and top up water in the slow cooker insert every 2 hours. The nian should turn a golden color when done. Remove from slow cooker after finish steaming. Allow the very soft and gooey nian gao to remain in the ramekins at room temperature for 24 hours. The nian gao should be firmer and the color darker after 24 hours. Remove them from the ramekins. Trim the banana leaves and allow them to become firmer for 3 to 4 days at room temperature before serving. And there you have it, pandan infused coconut palm sugar syrup nian gao, also known as Tikoy or New Year cake. Do give it a try.